glucose level is one of the most critical details to track over time for a person who is in danger of developing diabetes. The blood glucose level represents the amount of sugar that is present in the blood at a given time. It rises when a person has eaten recently, particularly if they eat something sugary, and then falls again over time as insulin is released and the body begins to process and store the sugar. If this system begins to break down, however, the blood glucose level will remain persistently high and can cause complications such as damage to the nerves, and there is actually an entire glucose level range that is considered to be healthy for the average person. The preferred values are based on the blood sugar readings that a person has when they haven't eaten anything for several hours. It is typically measured in milligrams per deciliter, and a normal glucose level is from about 70 to 130. A person who falls below this level is said to suffer from hypoglycemia, and may suffer from symptoms such as feeling weak or fatigued. A person who falls into a glucose level range of 100 to 130 is said to be pre-diabetic, which means that their body is beginning to lose control of their blood sugar and they are in danger of becoming fully diabetic. Any number above 130 is considered to be in the diabetic range. There are many reasons that doctors attempt to keep their patients at a normal glucose level. Glucose level appears to be tied to level of triglycerides in the blood, and high levels of triglycerides are known to be bad for the heart and arteries. Meanwhile, attempts to control blood sugar can often result in hypoglycemia, which is dangerous in itself. This is why there is a focus on keeping the readings in a range that is neither too high nor too low. It is important to understand how critical that control of blood sugar is to the body so that patients can fully understand why they must closely follow their treatment plan. Through careful application of changes to lifestyle and the use of medication, most people can successfully control their blood glucose level. Learn more at glucose-level.net.